Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do bird dog. Let's get into it. When you're doing bird dog, you want to set up in a tabletop position, hands and knees. When you're looking down at yourself, you want to see a perfectly drawn square between both hands and knees. Make sure that you're not too tight or too wide, as it will make it more difficult for you. Once you are in this position, your goal is to have as little unwanted movement as possible. What you're going to do is you're going to extend opposite arm and leg away from each other, maintaining core positioning as you extend the arm and leg. After holding this position for about 10 seconds, you're going to do a touch and go, where you sweep the knee and the hand together, make a touch, and then go into another repetition. You see, a couple of common mistakes that people will make on this is that as soon as they leave their arm and leg off the floor, they will shift all of their body weight back onto their leg. Just be conscious that you should feel this in your arm that's holding you up when you're performing bird dog. The second mistake that people make all the time is how much extension towards the ceiling that they're doing. Meaning, instead of thinking about reaching forward with their arm, they end up reaching up with their arm and arching their back. You see, when you're doing bird dog, your goal is to have as little to no spinal movement as possible so that you can train that core stability.